Okay, today we are unboxing 5 sneakers and the prices range is totally wild on this because we have sneakers under 2000 rupees, we have sneakers under 4000 rupees as well. So yes, watch this video till the end and let me know what you guys think about it. Let's go. What is up people, this is from Kamle, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, I am pretty much excited for this video. So let's start this video with the New Balance pair. So let's go. So this is New Balance 500. So this sneaker looks very much similar to New Balance 574, but there is a huge difference between this and that pair. I personally liked the colorway on this pair. You get this mesh, you get this suede on it. The comfort level is very decent on it. It is not like 574. The quality on this pair is not like 574, but yes, a very decent quality sneaker, and the price it comes for is good because you can get this pair for 4779 rupees. That is a great price in my opinion. Now moving to the next sneaker on this list, it is from Puma, one of my favorite Puma silhouettes right now, and let me show you guys the pair. So this is Puma CA Pro in this intense red colorway, and this particular silhouette is very similar to the Nike Air Force 1, but I personally like this pair because of the chunky sole, the great quality on it, and different paneling over it. And the most important reason of me liking this pair is Nike Air Force 1 and this pair has a huge price difference because you can get this at the half price of Nike Air Force 1, but still you will have to compromise over the hype of Nike Air Force 1. But if you can ignore that, apart from that, pretty much everything is very good on this. It has decent comfort, it fits true to size, and you can get this pair for 4319 rupees. That is a good price on this pair. As I told you guys, we have a sneaker on this list under 2000 rupees. So here it is. I know this is not the usual brands I show, but I thought I have this pair sitting and I thought why not to share this with you guys. I have few things to share about it. So let's see the pair and then we'll talk. So this is the pair from US Polo. A full white canvas upper sneaker with this traditional colors of US Polo, that is red and blue on the back heel, and the US Polo logo on the side panel of the sneaker. That is it. This sneaker does not have any different vibe to it, nothing like that. A very simple, plain, decent white shoes, and that is pretty much it on this pair. I feel you should not wear this sneaker with baggy outfits because this is a very slim profile sneaker, very thin kind of sneaker. This will make your feet look very small. So with baggy outfits, I do not think this will go very well. But apart from this, you can rock this sneaker if you wear regular fit outfits. Again, this sneaker does not has great quality or great comfort, but yes, looks very decent. And talking about the pricing on this, you can get this pair for 1700 rupees. As now we are talking about white sneakers, let's continue talking about the white sneakers, and let me show you guys this pair. So this is Nike Court Vision Low. Again, a Nike Air Force inspired sneaker made by Nike itself. This is an all white leather upper sneaker. You get a lot of different variants in it. You get a black swoosh here as well. This one has a gray one. I personally like the black swoosh. Talking about the comfort and the quality on this, both are not great on this pair. I will be very honest with you guys because I have tried this pair on. It is very stiff on feet and the comfort and the quality is not, I personally don't like it. I just want to say that if you can get this sneaker around 3000 or 3500 rupees, most of the time this sneaker goes above 4000 rupees, but if you are lucky, if you are checking it on sale, if you get this pair around 3500 rupees, that's fine, but do not pay more than that. I feel I got it for 3800, something like that. I wanted to review it, so why not? But yes, if you can get it around 3000 or 3500 rupees, it is a good pair if you like it. Now talking about the next sneaker on this list, and it is from ASICS, one of my favorite brands right now. And yes, this sneaker is one of my favorite silhouette from them. So let me show you guys. So this is Adidas Gel 1130, a retro running sneaker which is now turned into a lifestyle model, a full mesh upper sneaker, very lightweight sneaker, very breathable sneaker, a great one for this summer and this hot climate. But one thing, you'll have to be careful with this sneaker because even this might get dirty and very difficult to remove because it is a full mesh upper and it won't be easy to clean it off. But apart from that, great comfort, like amazing comfort, amazing durability, great quality, because ASICS does that. So from all of this, I will suggest go and get this one if you like chunky sneakers, if you like dad sneaker vibes, if you have that in you, if you can pull it off, this is a great one to have. I personally like this colorway as well, but it is sometimes hard to get the specific color you want, but there are a lot of different colorways you can get this sneaker in. You can buy it for 3,699 rupees. You can check that out. I have linked them in the description. And yes, this is one of my favorite on this list. So yes, definitely go and check this pair out. I have got all the sneakers from Amazon. I have linked each and every sneaker in the description. Do let me know if you like any of this. Do let me know if you don't like any of this. I will keep improving the suggestion list. But with this, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next in the next video. Peace.